We love sharing good news. So when someone says something great about us and experiences our 5-star service, well, we have to share it. Here's what they had to say. We feel great about a job well done, but we feel even better knowing someone took the time and care to write about their experience online and leave us a 5-star review. It's simply a win-win for everyone. Every time we receive a positive review, it's like receiving an award of achievement, and that's inspiring. So if you're looking for a company that really cares about serving others, backed by years of experience, we'd like to think we're the right business for you. We appreciate you taking the time to drop in on us today. You can contact us anytime at the number on your screen. We hope to see you soon.